Today we get some Bitcoin, and if you follow all of these steps, there's not gonna be any problems for you, okay? Just make sure not to skip anything at all, because there's some good money in it, and if you skip it, you will lose the profits. Hit subscribe and let's go. Now, first of all, I've got some good news. Crypto world is recovering. Just take a look at this. Just take a look at this graph of Bitcoin. It's cool. Money is coming back in the crypto world. That's good news for us. Whichever one of these cryptos you want, now's a perfect chance. Today's strategy that I'm going to show you is going to work all around the world. It doesn't matter if you live in India, Nigeria, Philippines, Japan. Wherever you live, you can get some amount of money from this. First of all, we will need a wallet. You can just find one easily on bitcoin.org, and if you click on choose your wallet, these guys will help you with the help of these 4 different questions. So what's your operating system? This is pretty much self-explanatory. Click on Windows, and then how much do you know about Bitcoin? Now, just be honest with them. If you are a beginner, click on new, click on the next button, and then which criteria are important to you, okay? Now, this is what is important. Fees are important. You don't want to waste money on fees, guys. Right, this is the most important part. Now you gotta click on the next button, and then the last question is what features are you looking for? 2-factor authentication is good for security, okay? Now click on the next, and then you have been recommended this Electrum wallet based on your answers, okay? You can just visit the website if you want to get this one, download the wallet, and we can start making that money for us. Alternatively, you can use this Exodus.com wallet. It is a good wallet. I use it. But then there's Atomic Wallet, Coinbase.com, Binance.com even. But in the end, it is not so important, okay? The important thing is that you have one wallet where you can store all of this crypto that we're gonna get today, alright? So first of all, I'm gonna show you this, okay? This one is called Bitcoin Live app. Now, the mining in here is happening on a cloud, so you don't waste your own resources. Now, down here, you can see some payment proofs. So you can see that people from all over the world are getting this money. You can see the profits in Bitcoin. So this guy from Turkey got 0.4 Bitcoin for himself. Now, if you check how much 0.4 in Bitcoin is, you can see that it is a pretty good amount of money. It is almost $7,000. Now, just imagine how it would feel for you to get $7,000 today. What would you do with all that money? Now, you can as well see the last payments here, and you can see that you have daily, weekly, and monthly payments, so you can just choose any one of these so you can check the payment proofs. Just take a look at this person from Philippines. He got $7,000 as well, and you can see the latest transaction. This is the wallet, so you can see on a blockchain that this transaction actually happened, because you know that crypto is transparent. You can't hide anything, and these are all real transactions, real payment proofs, and this tells us that this website is a good one. Now I'm going to show you how you can utilize this one in order for yourself to get some money. It's a pretty simple thing to do here. You can just click on the start mining now, but there is a catch with this one, alright? You have to purchase these weekly crypto keys, which are best seller. Now don't you worry, guys, you don't have to spend your own money for this. No investment from your side. I'm going to show you where you can get some of this Bitcoin for free first, so you can later reinvest that into these crypto keys. You can take this daily crypto key, you can take this weekly crypto key, or maybe even this monthly one. But the cool part about this one is that, just take a look at this, guys. You have to pay $50 for it, and the average earnings for that price is going to be anywhere between 0.3 to 0.9 Bitcoin, and you only pay $50, which I'm gonna get you for free. So just take a look at this. If we get this amount, so 0.3, I'm just gonna run it by CoinMarketCap so I can tell you how much money you can make with $50. You can make $5,000, guys. So $5,000 for you, and you just gotta invest $50 in it, guys, and it's not gonna be even your own money. So how can we approach this one? Okay, now just leave this page open and then go and connect to this website. This website is called bitcointora.online. So bitcointora.online is a website which uses Bitcoin miner script to get you some Bitcoin for free. Now you must be wondering, what the hell is Bitcoin miner script? Well, if you scroll down a bit, you can see all about it. You can see some useful information, and you can see that this works in a way that you copy and paste your Bitcoin wallet address, and it will start generating Bitcoins. Once the miner's fee is confirmed, you will receive your Bitcoins. It is all thanks to this team which made this possible, okay? This is also on a cloud, and it is super easy to use. As you can see, it has instant daily payouts, and it has super fast speed. A lot of people are using this on a daily basis, guys. You can see that they have a lot of users, and it's a pretty simple thing to do. Let me just show you how this works. So when you connect here, just click on Start Mining button, and when you land in here, you can see actually that you can choose Bitcoin or you can choose ETH. And when you do that, you just enter your Bitcoin address. You just paste that in here, and then you select the amount of Bitcoin that you want to mine. But for this strategy, guys, you have to select the lowest amount, okay? Because remember, you only need to get like 50 bucks, and then you can purchase this weekly crypto key, which is gonna be perfect. Now, to be honest, if you put it like here, if you put like, I want to get a whole Bitcoin from Bitcoin Core down the line, this will take like months, okay? This will take months because this is not so fast. This one is fast as hell. You can get a lot of money. But this one is good for getting that initial investment. So you can just put it like 0.1, and you can even turn it off once you get those 50 bucks. And then those 50 bucks you can just use in order to purchase this weekly crypto key, which is going to get you guys $5,000 on a weekly basis. So that's going to be 20,000 bucks in 1 month. So that is how this one works, okay? This is a good thing. But if you don't want to get this initial investment money like this, you can simply use freecash.com, okay? Freecash is a website where you come and you can see that average money earned by users yesterday is $9.65. So you need 5 days. You need 5 days of doing these simple offers, playing games, completing surveys, and the money is yours. Now you can as well go and do some research about freecash.com, and you can see that on SimilarWeb they've got 9 million total visits each month. So that's 9 million people coming here each month to do these offers, and then to take out that money. You can see the cash out options are great. You can even just get that Bitcoin, you can get PayPal Cash, ETH, Litecoin, Dogecoin, you can even get yourself Netflix subscription. This is crazy, and all you've got to do is to complete these simple offers. Now I've got to tell you, a lot of people know about free cash, and if you haven't used it so far, just take a look at this. They even have a growth. So the website is growing each day. A lot of people are making money on it, and it is a quick way to get some money, guys. You can easily get 50 bucks in order to invest that in here. Also, they've got a Google Play app, so you can just do this on your phone. So whenever you're, I don't know, on the toilet, in a train, in a bus, you can just download this one, and you can just get that cash, okay? You can see they've got 1 million downloads, and the rating is pretty cool. 4.8 out of 5. This speaks for itself, alright? So all you've got to do, guys, is to take some action. It all depends on you. The more time you invest in this strategy, the more money you can get in the end. Just take that action, and I'll catch you.